based on the demands of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya from the state government on the upgradation of all ad hoc schools in the state into the deficit pattern or system, the Education Department has rejected the same due to the current financial crisis in the state. The President of the Federation, Kenneth Shaddap, while speaking to news reporters, informed that the Secretary of the Education Department, Ambrose H. Marak, has not been able to fulfill their demands on the upgradation of ad hoc schools into the deficit pattern, but has instead offered an amount of rupees 18,000 each as salary enhancement. Shaddap added that the demands put forth by the ad hoc school teachers to the government have resulted from the challenges faced by them as parents due to inflation or the increased rate of public transport, house rent, school fees, electricity bill and non-availability of medical reimbursement.
Bandungdan mano bayo bun ni bayo kendiat kata kata ki higher secondary ki yo arkusau kan plus sakat raja ki secondary ki yo arfo hajar kan plus sakat raja ki science teacher arfu hajar kan plus sakat raja ki UP kan hajar kan plus sakat raja ki lower khatar hajar kan plus sakat raja ki Hindi khatar hajar kan plus sakat raja telah ada pipek ka total jinyo ajampi kan lomtan higher secondary unyo tang sauku hajar secondary unyo tang lai putra hajar science teacher unyo sauku hajar UP assistant teacher unyo lai pusau hajar ki LP bat Hindi kinyo mar lai pro hajar wat hadian bala you kan meru ada pikai bat ka inflation mo ka jingkiu kidor ki mata ini dan dai ibarat bandran ya ka household expenditure mo ya hamni la to the current expenditure per annum is rupees 145 crore kabot sisnem ka jinglut kalong sispa 1 crore including the enhancement as indicated above kabot la kentuplang ya kani kaban seperti the state government will incur an additional amount of approximately rupees 13 crore per month and rupees 156 crore per annum. Kata kamu kan upload additional sa sispa 10 crore sisnem kalai crore kasih benai ban pentiu ban enhan sikatulok mo. Tenang tangi la propose rupi de ki post nem pada ki adhoc mengkai ki ap si habni surat ban like na katangi la karpa de ka sarkar bakan ai no tang 100% ke increment chisin nem dalam isim ya ka 100% ki higher secondary ki yo ar hajar sispa ka jin penkiu manusnem ki secondary ki yo khat kendai spa ka jin penkiu manusnem ki science teacher ki yo ar hajar ka jin penkiu manusnem ki assistant teacher jom ki UP khat new spa ka jing pentiu manusnem bat ki LP bagi Hindi khat san spa dalam kata ro kadang long tang ki mo kadang long tang ka barit di kata ka jing pentiu the Fastom'S also requested to grant additional financial approval for the headmistress principal for doing extra work ki headmaster ki headmistress ki principal ki pun ki extra work ki hapan le tinggal terpat ki dan tentam ki la kuno bagi dia extra lai hajar na kai ke bagi asisten teacher yo dan ambil teklam to ay kata dari la to ba to grant additional financial approval for doing extra work.